Alright everybody, welcome back. Today what we're going to do is make lye. Old-fashioned lye. This is good in soaps and feeds and things like that. But we'll just take an empty bucket, add your wood ash that you've collected. Now this is all hardwoods. This was oaks and hickories and things like that. So I'll add all that in there. Pretty good substantial amount. I fill my bucket most of the way up with it. Now once I get that filled up there, I'm not worried about filtering it out or sifting it out or nothing like that this time. Next thing you're going to need is your rainwater you collected. Rainwater is crucial to this. Get a nice, generous amount of rainwater. Ooh. Take a good stick, probe it. See it all soaking in, filled up all the air gaps. After you do that and you get it worked down in there pretty good, just fill it on up. Put a lid on it, and we'll come back in 2 weeks and filter it off. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. But this is how you make old-fashioned homemade lye. This will be the lye water. I'll show you how to make the crystals after this.